Hey there, this is Tamir from Fibonaccis-Traders.com. Welcome for another weekly stocks to watch for the week of October 31st. My top 10 stocks that I will watch during next week. We have 10 names on this list, so let's get into it. Before we start, please make sure you follow me on Twitter for daily actionable ideas. Also, please hit the like and subscribe button somewhere here, and note that anything said on this video is for educational purposes only. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First name on the list is Disney. We have double bottom scenario just off the 90 level, starting to go up. Next level, if you're not long yet, we can take long above the 107. And if this one is validated, it will go all the way to 126. Making above it, we can go all the way to 155. So follow price, use levels to manage the risk. Next is HD, a name that I'm very fond of. Also here we can see a double bottom scenario of the 266. Friday breakout and above, strong above the 294, the neckline. Next level to watch is above the 302, and 313 is next if the market will continue to go up. CROX is next on the list. We have this strong area of resistance. This area of resistance goes all the way to February. Also from August all the way to October. Now Friday made a doji of the 69 area. The 69, if you look left, always look left, guys. If you want to know support and resistance and why price is now where he is, look left and you will find out. 68 level was a strong support also since March 22. Doji on Friday, we might get a bounce all the way to this area, and if bulls are really into the game, we might even see a break above towards the area of 108. Tesla, strong double bottom of the 206. This 206, again, look left, was May 22 lows, and it was also during July 21, it was the low of 21. So now let's see if we can get a bounce from here towards next resistance. Strong one will be the 236. Breaking up and above, we have this gap overhead here at the 263 area. So keep your eyes on Tesla. Shop, another, if you follow me on Twitter, you know that we are trading it. Also on Discord, we are trading it on daily and swinging it to the downside and to the upside. We have now, let's take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and we can see that next area of resistance will be the 36 area. If we go left, we see that this 36 was a strong area of support and resistance. We can see that price just hovering up and above, down and below of this area. So once it breaks up and above this one, 40 might be next. Always follow price, use the levels to manage the risk. As you can see, no other indicators we use on the Fibonaccis-Traders.com. We only follow price and use Fibonacci levels to manage our position and risk. Next on the list is pins. If we look, we have low of June and July, and now we have a higher low since August till October, and we had a big gap up after earnings on Friday. So now the next level that we are looking at to go long is this level here, the 26 area. Breaking up and above, we take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and we can see that above the 26, the next resistance will be the 28 area and above. GE is next. Also we can see forming here a very strong double bottom scenario of this area between the 60 and the 62. Now we have this neckline here, so if you are not long yet, we should wait until a break above the 81. This is the neckline of the double bottom, breaking up and above. Let's see where it can take us. We take the Fibonacci master, draw it to the upside, swing low, swing high, and then towards the 87, closing the gap over here. Next we have OSUR. As we can see, some kind, I'm not a fond of patterns, but we can see some kind of a cup and handle scenario, trying now to break up and above this level here. So if we are not long yet, we should wait for a daily or two close above the 430, 431 area all the way to 480. Breaking up and above the 480, we can take the Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. This is how we use it. And as we all know, Fibonacci is not an indicator, it's just a tool that helps us to identify with quite accuracy the next support and resistance to the future. So above 480 we can expect 580 level. Target is next, also higher lows. Since June's low we have this here, this is the July's lows. Now we have August, September higher lows, going higher above the level here. Let's draw this one here. Breaking up and above, we could see this area here. Then here, breaking these areas to these levels to the upside, then all the way inside this gap void, all the way to 210. If we want to see more levels to the upside as resistance, we can draw Fibonacci, recent low, recent high, and we have all the levels to the upside. AAPL, basically Friday, holding all the market on its back with a strong bullish candle, of course to the upside, all the way to 155 and closed just about the 155. Why? Because if we look left, as we said, we always need to look left. If we want to know why price is now where it is and to find support and resistance for the future, we need to look left. And as we do, we see that the 150, 155 was a very important level for AAPL in September 21, also here in November 21, January 22, also here, and now, also now here. So if we are not long on AAPL yet, wait for a daily close above the 155. By the way, if you are struggling, as we all do as traders, we struggle each and every day. I made a short video that the link will pop just about now over on the right top side. Simple swing strategy. Check it out and let me know if it works for you. Until the next video, thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.